Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Is the audio video clear? All right, we are looking at BTC chart. In BTC, the lower end, somewhere near 1 lakh 3,475. Okay, 1 lakh 3,475 is an area where there is support in the market. 1 lakh 3,475. So that comes somewhere around here. Okay, we'll mark that on the chart and keep. Here also we'll mark this 1 lakh 4,375. Sorry, 1 lakh 3,000. Sorry, my mistake. 1 lakh 3,475. 1 lakh 3,475. This range. Okay. We'll mark this level on this chart and keep, because this place, as per liquidation heat map, is a place where there's liquidity. Usually what happens is market, let's say it keeps coming down. Market is keeping on coming down, and then after grabbing that liquidity, usually what happens is there is no other stop loss hunting level for the market. So after grabbing all those liquidity, market might tend to reverse. So we will keep that in mind. Now you can see market is coming down. This is for the sake of liquidity. Here, anyone who entered buy trade at this zone, all of those people are trapped. But below this, is there any stop loss hunting? If you see, let's say I'm on a 1 minute time frame, but let's say for 15 minutes also, if you go in the past, the next supporting zone 3,950, that zone somewhere it is. But below that, is there any stop loss? No. Since we work based on stop loss hunting concept, we will wait and see, okay, is this breakdown, whatever market is given, will this be sustainable? If it is not a sustainable breakdown, then reversal possibility is there. One of the main reason why market would have fallen is because of this reason. S&P 500, Nasdaq, all is kind of negative at this point of time. That would have created little more pressure for BTC, but to a certain extent, since there is no other stop loss hunting, market might tend to reverse, right? At least anyone who takes bearish trade to trap them, it can move towards the upside. So what we have to do basically is wait for some time. After trapping those people, if market is giving any breakdown, that is where we can plan. Directly at this breakdown, planning for any bearish trade doesn't make sense. Okay, so we will not get tempted by this breakdown. We will avoid this. Sir, what is stop loss hunting? Do you have any strategy? Yes, I have strategy which I regularly follow in Indian market for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For crypto, if you want to learn at what kind of zone market might tend to reverse, then you open account with Delta Exchange, join our group. This weekend I'll be teaching you guys that itself. Okay. Now breakdown has happened. There's no other stop loss hunting, but continuously US market is kind of bearish. So what we will do from our end is first mark important zones in Dow Jones, S&P 500. If it corrects, how much can it correct? That and all we will mark and see. You can see such a big gap down. Definitely there is pressure. So 758 somewhere around that zone. We'll start marking the levels in all the chart. So from here till here, okay, this might be the next support for S&P 500. Resistance can be somewhere up to this zone till this zone. So this might be the range. I don't think market will completely recover whatever breakdown it has done, but in continuously anyone takes bearish trade to trap them, market might tend to reverse. That possibility is there. So we will wait for it. We'll look for opportunity. If we get, we will try. Now you see anyone who entered bearish trade here, definitely to a certain extent they're kind of in a trapping zone. Indecision is happening. Even if it gives confidence, little bit a reversal is possible. So in Ethereum, what's happening? Continuously there was a fall. And let's say market this trend line. We'll draw this. It's near this trend line support. Now in case if it gives a breakdown in Ethereum, it's in a range where, okay, this buyers might re-enter. This breakdown might attract people. After attracting people, will there be any chance of reversal? Yes, there might be chance of reversal. So here also we will wait and see. Market is completely bearish in that stage. Taking bullish trade is a challenging thing itself. But when you trade based on stop loss hunting, when you get the momentum right, so bigger momentum you will be able to capture. Yes, you are audible. What is the stop loss? Okay, you see breakdown, trapping. Your chance is there. Small quantity only we can try, but we will see how market behaves here first. I'm not taking any trade as of now, but I'm just seeing if market moves up, how much liquidity can it take out? If it goes up to this low, here any reversal will it come? That also we will see. I'm not taking any trade as of now. Okay, we'll just wait. 1 minute time frame we are, right? So little bit. BTC. Really? What the heck is this? Anyways, chart is showing some kind of issue. BTC. Continuous pressure. All the liquidity is taken out in BTC. No other stop loss hunting, but because of US market pressure, it is kind of reversing. I'm not taking the straight traders. I'm just waiting. This level we will mark and keep. This level is not needed. Okay. We'll wait and see traders how market behaves. Based on that, in case there is any setup, I will look into it. Continuation. Okay. The zone market is holding. I placed a buy order. If buyers are strong, they will try to hold on to the market. At least a scalping setup is possible where market can reach up to this zone. With that logic, what I will do, I'll place the stop loss. Stop loss is small. I've taken this trade. Okay. Here I'll copy this price. Maybe if it works out, you will also see when stop loss hunting works, what kind of movement it can give. Not necessary every time it will work, but the concept which I know, when it give results, it will give very good results. So that is why here anyone who wants to take a bullish trade, you can take. Okay, this is a good setup. Delta is down. See, we are trading in futures market. Forget about Delta exchange is down, you mean? For me, I've taken the trade, I've executed, everything is working out for me. You only have to say. Hi, bro. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the live stream. Usually, what happens? Trend line breakdown people will attract to trap them. Market will give a retest. After this, there is a chance of reversal also. There's a chance of market moving up also. But I don't want to book my profit whatsoever here. 30, 37. No, I want bigger target. For bigger target, I'm okay to give the loss. With that mindset only, I'm sitting in this trade. Okay. If this is a trapping, then there is a chance of reversal. Quickly, we can capture some movement in the market. From our end, what we can do, we'll reduce the risk. Okay. You reduce the risk. Now risk became less and we will try for the target. Now target, it's already reaching. I'm extending the target. If I get the target, fine. If I don't get also, I'm okay. See, this target market achieved. If I could have exited, I would have exited. But for me, my psychology doesn't work that way. If I want to capture movement, bigger movement I want to capture. So what I will do, I will extend my target little more. Who wants to exit here, you can exit. That's up to you. 4, 3, 2, 1. So target achieved here. Now you want to hold, you don't want to hold, that's up to you. Okay. I want to hold, I will do it. Now what we will do from our end, we will reduce the stop loss. Stop loss became below this candle and I will try to extend the target little higher than this zone. If I get the target, fine, or else net to net, whatever it is, I'll book the profit and go. Now this setup, what you see here, right? This movement, what you see here, right? This is actually called stop loss hunting. Okay. Now let's say how many times this will work. I can say this will work 5 times out of 10 times or 6 times out of 10 times. But people want a strategy which works all the time. Like that strategy is not there. Now you see there is a reversal, right? This zone. Now here, if I want, I can book the profit from my end. I don't do it. But you can see what kind of risk it is. It is 1:6 kind of risk reward ratio, but previously risk was little lower also. In that case also, if you see, it is 1:4 risk reward situation. Now how did I look into this setup? How did I capture this moment when market was continuously falling? Why did I take bullish trade? All of these things I'll be explaining it as a strategy. Okay, that strategy will be taught in as a course to our crypto community group members exclusively. You want to become a part of it? Open account with Delta Exchange with the link that you see on the screen. Join, and then this weekend you will be getting the course. This is just a live market example. Okay, how the strategy works. Did I break my head too much to take the strategy? No. When market was giving a breakdown, I explained the stop loss hunting logic and I took the trade. Now target was already achieved here. Here if I want, I can book or I can trail and go. That is left to me or your mindset. Now what I can do, I can trail my stop loss here also. Now in this trade, whatever happens, I'll make around $119 or I'll make $185. Bro, why today? Is there any important news? Because even oil, gold, BTC, everything. I've not gone through any kind of news or anything as such. I'm just going based on price action and stop loss hunting. If I had gone looked for setup based on news when market was bearish, I would have taken bearish trade only, right? Trend line breakdown. I usually don't give importance to news. I give importance to price action, stop loss hunting. Okay. So now this moment here, there is a pressure zone. That's fine. I'll trail the stop loss. Now, how many of you entered this trade along with me? Little bit lower I'll keep. That's fine. Keeping stop loss below this candle is actually better. That's fine. To this zone target reached. This similar kind of price action setup only today afternoon I tried. I did not get. But small stop loss. I gave you, see, in crypto group at shared that setup also, I believe. I don't know where it went. In BTC, I think. Here somewhere I tried. It held on to this range and it gave a breakdown. Before it hit the stop loss only, I said, okay, this might not work. You can close. So if you get experience, you will only get an idea. Okay, this will work, this will not work. Or if it works, how much is the probability? All those things you will get to know. See here, breakout situation is the market has reached the resistance. Sellers will enter. Because of that, little bit pressure also can come. Market can give a breakout and then breakout can convert to failure. Yeah, this resistance, right? Now what we will do, we will trail a stop loss here. We will change our target. I know too much we are extending, let it be, but trailing stop loss below this candle only we have kept, means what else are we going to lose? Nothing else. Okay, we exited. I think approximately within what, 10 minutes? In 10 minutes we made a decent profit of 12-13,000. It's fine. How many people entered this trade along with me? We exited the trade here. Not able to trade as the delta exchange is down. Delta exchange seems to be down. Is it? Okay. I have joined using your link. See, I traded in delta only. I did not have any problem. Are you guys using mobile phone or system, whatever? Nobody you should have issue. I'll refresh the page. Okay. While refreshing, I can see. Okay, what issue you are saying. If situation is like this, what can... What to do, traders? If system downtime happens, what to do? Very, very nice moment. Huh? I'm in your Delta ID, sir, but not in crypto personal group. Then you send a WhatsApp message to that phone number, what you see will give you access. Now guys, I hope you have understood market what usually it did. It gave a breakdown. It attracted as much as possible people, giving breakdown here, giving breakdown here. But what is the problem to take a bearish trade? There is no other stop loss hunting. Why stop loss hunting is important? Because only when market hunts the stop loss, orders will keep getting filled. Orders will get executed. If there is no liquidity at the bottom, then for the sake of liquidity, market will move again towards the upside. At what zones will it move up? All those things I'll be teaching in the course. Okay. So open account and then we will see you during the weekend. What kind of setup, what it is, how it is. Okay. Delta is down. What to do? Delta is down. We'll refresh. I will highlight to them. Okay. Delta exchange team. I've sent a message to my point of contact. He's checking on that. Okay. Delta only working on mobile, not on website. For me, just website only I took the trade. In phone it is working. What is the issue? In phone also for me it's not working. So they're fixing it. How to identify that market will go up or down to anti-sell? To learn that only you have to join our crypto community group. Link is there, you see. The first comment, link to open account with Delta Exchange, open account, and then send a WhatsApp message to the number that you're seeing on the screen. This weekend I'm going to teach you. And continuously I'll be doing analysis video also going forward, because I'm becoming too serious with crypto. I'm able to see the potential, what it is, how much importance I'm going to give to Indian market. For crypto market also I'm going to give. So whenever I'm finding setup, I'm going to discuss with you guys going forward. So if you want to become a member, you can join. Delta exchange is down, couldn't take the trade. I feel bad. When I took the trade, everything was fine. For me, you can see no, I'm not getting the data. What to do now? Everything, right? BTC, Ethereum, everything came down, hunted the stop loss, quick reversal. When I came live also, I had said, right, somewhere near the zone, market can take support and it can reverse. It will not make a bigger move, but it might move up to this zone, is what I said, 6,820 S&P 500. Hopefully it goes up to that zone. If you want for Nasdaq also, Nasdaq little indecision is there. It can go up to this zone if it moves up, and if it moves down, I think first it will move down only. If it comes, maybe down it can come up to this zone. Nasdaq, S&P 500, this is my calculation. We will see how it, if the market is like this, what to do. Can you please explain logic behind 9:30 a.m. option buying 180 premium? Also, do you, sir, that strategy already I have given 30-40 minutes. I've explained about the strategy, and I've clearly mentioned. Apart from that, I've given 3-4 live trade videos also. In that also, I have kept on telling the logic behind why I'm taking 180 premium. Please go and watch that video. Because in that, how many times can I say? I've told the logic why I've taken 180 premium, because that is the premium which is working out great for us, which has potential of giving us a proper momentum, and other reasons also, whatever is there, I have explained there. Please see that. Okay. Also, do you have backtested? I have backtested. I've taken so many live trades many times before I put this strategy on YouTube for free. Continuously 1 or 2 weeks I've done live trades also. What logic I took the trade, how it came, everything there also I've discussed. I am not saying this strategy is having a success rate of 70-80%. I'm saying it is a good strategy. You just think success rate is 50% only. But minimum 1:2 risk reward, and when it works out, you will not get 40 points. There are certain instances. My spouse, who's a beginner only, for her, even she prefers to trade like this. So more than stop loss hunting concept, she was able to capture 120 points, 93 points, 80 points, like this many times. So success rate, even though if it is 1:2, the days when you are ready to capture bigger movement, you will be able to, you will be in a better position. That's what I mean to say. Also, any on link is there for this live trade, sir? From mobile, difficult to watch, sir. If online link is there, I will log into laptop. What do you mean, sir? I'm not understanding. I already shared this account to you, sir, but did not do any crypto trading so far. Please add me to crypto group. So to add you to a weekend group, at least you have to do the basic things, right? First, you have to open an account, and then maybe at least you have to activate the account by taking at least one small trade. But some people will say, sir, I'm new. How can I take trade? I don't know to take trade. Yes, I understand that. That is the reason I've already made the basic video. Okay. The basic video on how to trade crypto. If you watch that only, it's more than enough. You just go to our channel. There you see crypto playlist is there. I'll share the link only if you want. Whoever is new, just go and check out this. No, check out this. In that only we have clearly explained all the basic things as to how to trade in crypto market. Have a look at that. Here, breakout. This one is just holding on. Previously, this zone was acting as a support zone. One support zone breaks, it's very common that it acts as a resistance level in the market. Okay, let's not worry about that. We will see Ethereum, what kind of ETH. Here also not getting the data. Okay, liquidity was there near 3,540, above the 3,500. 75. Let's say I go as per that only. 3,575. This is the maximum area where liquidity is there. After grabbing the liquidity, if these sellers who's there on top, if they are strong, they'll tend to push the market towards the downside. That acted as one confirmation. Then let's say you draw the Fibonacci level that comes to 0.618 level. That is second confirmation. That acts as a second confirmation. So all these things we have to factor in. I got a call from physio. Please give me 2 minutes. Any levels to monitor for S&P 500? S&P 500, please monitor these levels. 6815, 6820. That area might act as resistance. Here in Nasdaq, 2358, 23580, 23600. Very big correction has happened in the market. So expectation is anyone who thinks about taking bearish trade to trap them, market might move towards the upside. That's understood. This was our support zone which I discussed in the morning. Market had gone below the support. Once support zone breaks, what happens? It becomes a resistance. Continuously market held on below that zone itself, but here only I planned one bullish trade with an expectation that little liquidity is there to trap that market can move. That setup failed, but same logic, same setup I worked out here in Ethereum that gave good results. So small stop losses we have to be ready to give traders. Here breakout market has given. If that is the case also, where do we take trade? System experience heavy load, but you can still update your position in order. It's not needed. Once in a while, very rare. This is the second or third time I'm coming across this issue. For backup, you want to keep another broker, that's entirely up to you. Can you please suggest any other? I'm working with other people, traders I'm seeing, but people whom I know also is saying this is good, and some of them will say Exynos, that and all is something which I don't use because they're not FIU registered. Other people, I can see one or two other people are registered, but during discussion with one of the members, I don't want to speak which broker, they were not right. They were not, giving me necessary information while discussing. It was like they were hiding something from us. So I did not go forward with further negotiation. It's always important that we keep a backup also. Lag is service and okay, ETH USD. You don't like the service, you don't take the service. Very simple, right? Straightforward. Issues, Now I use Zerodha, right? I use Zerodha for how many years? I've been using for at least 8-9 years. So in Zerodha I don't have a problem. I have problem. So what necessary backup we have to do, we have to do, right? Now let's say I've come live for how many months now? I've come crypto live for at least 8 to 9 months, at least 10 months. During this 10 months, only 2 times I've faced issue. This is the second time. Once I've faced earlier. That time, since we did not have opportunity, we just left it as it is. So whichever broker you say, I will try. But can you give 100% guarantee that it doesn't work? It will always be perfect. That's not possible. That's the issue. Hi sir, for money management, can you tell your policy? Or I've already made 2 videos about money management, what to do, how to do. If you're asking about crypto, already in crypto basics also I've discovered. You see 2 things I discovered, no? One is this liquidation zone. This was the liquidation area. Sellers entered and sellers are holding 618 level. 618 level, liquidation zone, both came at the same price. So we had marked this orange level, saying that there's a chance that market can correct. So only if market sustains above this, bullish opportunity is there. In case we had a chance, we would have taken a small scalping setup on the bearish side. But now we don't have that option. What to do? 28th October, it gave 40 points. 29th, no trade. 30th, 60 points plus. 31st, SL hit. Today, premium moved to 300. So I want to try. That's why I asked. That's what, sir. See, the beauty about, I believe you are asking about 930 strategy, right? If you stick to that strategy for a longer duration of time, then it has a potential of giving you very good results. But in public, whatever I am saying, I have to give you a disclaimer, right? What you do backtest for 1 month. Do paper trading after that for 1 month. You see everything. I'm already telling you success rate can be 50%, 60%. But my disclaimer you take, don't believe whatever I say. Go as per that. Results when it will give you very good results for a long term. You backtest, you see the results, and then you take. Strategy, live videos, everything for free of cost I have given. Only thing what is pending is your effort, your backtest. In every video I have told you do backtest for 30 days, 40 days. So that you do, then you decide. Money management, what to do, right? You asked. There is one video, okay, which I feel can be a game changer for many people. Okay, how to manage. You're not able to manage your risk, your psychology, you're not able to manage properly. For those people, I'm going to share one video link. Okay, please watch that after this live stream. Go ahead, watch that. If you watch that, a lot of interesting things you will learn, and you will only get a complete different perspective about risk management. Okay, so that's what it is. Did anyone get a chance to enter the bullish trade with me, or you were not able to? You had issues. Here I'm not able to take because of the server issue problem, but this was a very good moment. Somewhere here we exited, I believe. Here Ethereum also same 618 level zone. Still issue in BTC I had said, right, 1,04,600. had marked this zone. This one pressure area, but at this point of time we are not able to take any trades. What to do? Gold, you guys see, I'd given this zone as the supporting zone. Market came to the support and it is holding on. So in case if it corrects anything as such, draw a trend line and keep. And if it holds on to that range, small stop loss, opportunity will open up towards the upside. Okay, as long as market doesn't go below the support zone, no bearish trade in no bearish trade, of course, no bearish trade in gold. Liquidity done, issue done, breakout failure done. Now we have to see what Ethereum almost S&P 500 almost went to resistance and it is correcting. Nasdaq, though, this was my expectation, it will go up to resistance. It has gone above that, so little bit buying pressure there also we are seeing. That's okay. I did not keep a track of this. I expected up to this zone only it will go. If I was there in this market here, definitely any bearish candle I would have taken a bearish trade. In S&P 500 also, if it moves up, any bearish setup here, I will take bearish trade. Of course, if I had the choice. Hi sir, for money management. Share the link, please see that. Kiran Kumar, hello sir, welcome to the live stream. Already one setup's done. Why we are not taking trade is because we are having service issue here, that's why. Then there's no point in waiting for the setup or anything. Here liquidity zone was there. After grabbing liquidity, market is supposed to correct. So based on that, if we had taken the trade, already had marked 600 points movement, maybe here correction whatsoever we would have tried to capture, but we can't take the setup trade right now. In ETH also near the seller zone, right, liquidity zone, one bearish trade we would have taken. If you are having system issue, nothing can be done, traders, as of now. I've asked the team, they said they're working on it, they'll get back. When we are in the mindset to take sell on rise, continuation is what we can see here up to this zone. Vijay sir, yes, issues there, what to do? We'll wait. Technical team is working, they'll sort it out, let us know. Is it wise to take bearish trade? Let market go here. At this zone, if any bearish setup, if we get, we are going as per the trend only. Liquidity, market has removed weak players, so somewhere near this zone, if we get, take around 8 to 9 points, target for at least 1:2, 1:3. This would be a decent setup. Okay, you asked me about S&P 500, I'm telling you, that's it. This continuation is there. Little bit I feel sad I'm not able to take the reversals trade. Everything was planned, but we are not able to take. I'm not sure, traders, how long this issue will take to resolve or things like that. What I will do, if issue is not solving, I can't even take trades, only after certain give views. What I will do, first I'll wait for some time, let the issue solve. Next setup, whatever I'm taking, I will share that in the crypto community group. Okay, if you're interested, you guys can join. Now though everything is range bound situation, here I expect little more correction and then reversal. So that's the current situation. I'm not able to take any trades here, so we'll wait some more time, let the issue solve. I'll take one more trade. Already decent profit in this trade we have done, 12,000-13,000 rupees. That's fine. So one more setup, we will wait. Next setup when we get, we will take. Okay, link to that group. To join that group, you have to first open account with Delta Exchange, sir. Delta Exchange account opening link is there in the pinned comment. First you can do that, join that, and then you will be added to the group. In this video description also, live video description also, you will get the link, so you can go and check that also. Those who want to wish to open account, please open. The link is there. I've shared the link. You can open account. As of now, I'm just not able to say any views because we can't even take trade. I will wait for some more time, then I will share the setup. Okay. Alright, traders, be active a bit in the crypto community group. There I will share. Thank you for participating in the live stream. I'll see you when new setup comes. I'll share in the group. Alright, traders, good night, take care, bye bye. Now I can't stay live. I won't even be able to take the trade. Let the issue get resolved, then we will see. Okay. Alright, traders, thanks for participating.